Hi, I'm Mark Tracy with Middle Atlantic Products, and we're here at the CEDIA Show 2012, and I'd like to show you some of our new cooling products. Before I do that, I'd like to just talk about the importance of cooling in an equipment rack. Studies have shown for every 10-degree rise over 85 degrees that the life expectancy of digital equipment is reduced by 40%. So that's a pretty wild stat. It just speaks to the importance of keeping the equipment cool. Middle Atlantic has a full selection of cooling products available to help you design the right cooling scheme for your system. Now, many cooling products, including fans, are measured in CFM. So we've got 40 CFM and 100 CFM fans and things like that. However, we've found instances where we need more power and more powerful cooling. So what we did to address that is to develop a high static pressure blower. Static pressure means that this blower actually has more capacity to pull the air through in a more powerful way. This is that blower in a component cooler. So this is designed to be placed on top of a hot component and blow the air out. And I'll show you the bottom real quick. Pulls the air in from the bottom, exhausts it out the front. This blower is thermostatically controlled, so it only turns on when it needs to. It's energy efficient, but most of all, it's very, very quiet. So we've taken that same blower and we've built it into a platform. So this is a component cooler that can be used in between stacked AV components. So I'll lift this up. There's the blower inside. It can be oriented in many directions, but once again, this is thermostatically controlled, so it is fully appropriate to allow the air to blow out the front if you choose, if you've got a component system and shelving that has nowhere for the air to go in the rear, because it's very, very quiet. And once again, the fan only turns as fast as it needs to keep the system at 85 degrees. We shoot for 85 inside of an equipment rack. We also have a cabinet cool version of the same blower. It's called the Cab Cool 50 CFM, high static pressure. This can be used in an entertainment center, AV furniture, you know, anywhere where you need to exhaust heat in an AV system, that you have the option, maybe in a wood cabinet or something like that, and you have the option of putting a blower in that. Last but not least, for a rack mount installation, we've taken the same blower and incorporated it into a full rack mount housing. So it's a single blower, exhausting out the front very quietly, once again, because it's thermostatically controlled. This is the temperature probe that you put inside the rack, and that reads the temperature and actuates the blower based on how hot it gets inside the rack. So once again, there's the blower intake, exhaust out the front, but then what we've done is we've done a combination product. So we've done power distribution in addition to the cooling in this one space unit. So that's a 8 outlet, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 outlet power distribution unit, 2-stage surge suppression, thermistor, temperature probe, all in one convenient one rack space unit. So we invite you to contact us if you need help designing your cooling products. We do have a thermal management white paper. I invite you to download that off our website. That's obviously at middleatlantic.com, and thanks for watching.